Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can search through your liked posts on Instagram. So let's get right into it. This includes both videos and other posts such as reels or photos. You can watch whichever one you want again, but it's very easy to do, and let me show you how it is done. Firstly, you're going to want to navigate to your profile page in the bottom right by clicking on your profile icon. Once you're here, what you're going to want to do is click on the top right and you'll get to this menu. Now, as you can see, how you use Instagram is the first section that you have next to your account, and you have your saved, your archive, your activity, notifications, and time spent. If you've saved any videos, you can go into saved and you can find them there. I would recommend doing this if you want to watch videos later or have them saved somewhere, since you can create several albums which you can freely use and pretty much do whatever you want with them. Now, what else you can do? You can click on your activity, and this is where you'll find your liked posts. You can find your likes, your comments, your tags. You can find all of this stuff here, but of course what we want in this case is likes, and I have taken the liberty to like a couple of posts. And as you can see, now I can see all my liked posts. You can sort them from newest to oldest, select them, do whatever you want with them, select the dates, all content types, etc., etc. And as you can see, now you can see your liked posts by just clicking on them. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.